What is up? This is Mark reporting to you from Vapesterdam, where it's cloudy as 100% of the time. Today we have a review of the Flowermate Slick, the newest from China-based manufacturer Flowermate. Let's open her up and see if she rips. The Flowermate Slick is a fantastically machined unit for the price point. It checks all the boxes of a higher-end vaporizer. Combination convection conduction, glass mouthpiece, removable battery, haptic feedback, but at a budget-friendly price. It is a strong and capable unit. The vapor path of the Flowermate Slick is short. However, the vapor is surprisingly flavorful. It comes out a little bit hot, but the isolated air path adds to the quality of your hit as well. Honestly, this unit kind of blew me away in the vapor department. It's not up there with the Mighty, but it delivers for sure. I actually love the look of the Slick. It fits in your hand well, it is sturdy, and the glass mouthpiece just ups the class level a little bit. I like these pen style units because it could totally pass as something else, but more on that later. A lot of the units in this price point feature ugly plastic parts, and there's no hint of those here. This guy is discreet. These pen style vapes now with the magnetic cap for added discreetness is a trend I hope to see continue. This does not look like a vaporizer in any way. It kind of looks like one of those extendable batons, which I guess is better. But honestly, throw it in your pocket or bag and no one will be the wiser. A perfect entry unit, micro USB charging, 5 taps to turn on, 3 taps to change temperature, easy loading, the cap is magnetic, and haptic feedback allows you to stay on top of your session. Also, when you remove the magnetic cap, you can attach it to the bottom of the unit, which is just kind of cool. The Slick is portable as Removable 18650 battery means you can charge multiple to keep it loaded up for the day. The sleek design makes it easy to carry, load, and use while on the go. The Flowermate Slick is a fantastic entry-level vaporizer, but let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros: it is portable, discreet, and easy to use. Cons: there is a short vapor path, and the vapor comes out a little hot, but forgivable. Overall, I would recommend the Slick to anyone new to vaping or that needs a backup unit for those on-the-go sessions. As always, thanks so much for checking out our review of the Flowermate Slick. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you really enjoyed it. To find out more, be sure to visit vapesterdam.com to check out reviews, showdowns, and rankings. My name's Mark, and until next time, stay cloudy.